Welcome back to PhilDev. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a laser trap just like the one on screen. So let's get right into the video. So what I've got here is I've got this laser sprite and I've duplicated, flipped it and added another one at the bottom. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the laser going in between these set onto a timer. So if I go into my prefabs folder and go into my laser folder, I've already got a laser like this. So what you need to add to this is you need to add your colliders and anything else specific to your game. So that might be a tag to detect collision with the player to deal him damage or whatever, something like that. And you also need this destroyer script. So if I open this destroyer script up inside of Visual Studio quickly. So this script is very simple. All you're going to need is a float variable called time.destroy, and then in the update function you're going to say destroy the game object, and you're going to destroy it after time.destroy. So what's going to happen is when time.destroy reaches 0, then the game object will destroy itself. And let's say time.destroy is 0.3 seconds. So that means after 0.3 seconds, the laser is going to get disabled. And you can also add an animation to your laser. So I've got one here and it looks like this. So that's it for the laser. Now you need to make it a prefab and then you can just delete it from your scene. And the next thing we're going to need is a laser script. So you can go onto your laser and give it the laser script. So this is all the script is. We're going to need two variables called time.spawn and start time.spawn. We're going to need a game object variable called laser, and we're going to need a transform variable called where to spawn. So in the update function we're going to say if time.spawn is less than or equal to 0, and then if that happens then we'll instantiate our laser at where to spawn's position and where to spawn's rotation. And if that's 0, then we're going to set it back up to start time.spawn like that. And then you're going to add an else statement and say time.despawn minus equals time.delta time. And that's all we're going to need for the laser script. So back inside of Unity, all we need to do now is fill these variables in. So start time.spawn is how often a laser will spawn. So for example, if it's 2 seconds, a laser will be instantiated every 2 seconds, but let's make it 1 second. And now you're going back to your prefabs folder, go to your enemies and go to your laser. And then before we fill that in, we're going to need an empty game object, and we can call this where to spawn. Just like that. And then what I like to do is drag in our laser, and then you position it just as you want. So I'm going to position it just like that. And then you're going to find the center of the game object, which is obviously right there. And then you're going to parent your where to spawn transform onto the laser, and you're going to reset the transform of where to spawn. And now it's going to be directly in the center of the laser. So now you're going to drag your where to spawn back into your main bit and delete the prefab once again. So now it's exactly in the middle where we want it to be. And now we can drag in where to spawn there and drag in laser there. And also, because my laser, as you can see barely down at the bottom, is horizontal, I need to make sure my where to spawn has 90 on the Z, so it's rotated at 90 degrees. And then I can fill in the laser variable, the laser variable is already filled in. So now we are done. So now if we go over here, we can see the laser is working perfectly. And if we go in the middle, we will take damage. And if we walk through when the laser isn't there, we won't take damage. So there we go. That's a simple laser times laser inside of Unity using C#. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.